Let's talk about aliases in Tableau. Before we get started, go ahead and subscribe to the channel and let's dive in and see how aliases work in Tableau. I'll open up a brand new sheet and let's walk through it. So if you right click on a dimension, you'll see there's an option here for aliases. Something to keep in mind is that aliases are only at the dimension level. They cannot be at the measure level, and that makes sense because measures are facts, and you do not want to alias a fact because that represents actually what happened at a given point in time, such as how many sales were made, how much profit we made, how much quantity we have on hand, things of that nature. So let's take a look at how aliases work on dimensions. So suppose we wanted to create an alias on state, and then let's just say rather than showing the actual Connecticut, we wanted to just show CT. And let's just maybe do another example. I already have New York and New Jersey as my aliases. Please note that this middle column here has alias will have a dot every time there's an alias created for any of the actual members of that particular dimension. So let's just suppose we wanted to call Texas TX rather than Texas. And let's hit OK and see how this works. So if we take state and we move it over to the rows shelf, you'll see that Connecticut no longer exists in its real form. New Jersey doesn't exist in its real form, and New York doesn't exist, and Texas doesn't exist in its real form. And it's been replaced with aliases such as CT, NJ, New York, and TX. This is only done at the Tableau level. It doesn't change the data in the back end. So that's something to keep in mind, that this is only within the realm of the Tableau workbook that you're working on, and it doesn't do anything to the data behind the scenes. And the way you would edit this if you wanted to go back is right click again on that same dimension, click aliases, and let's change New Jersey. New Jersey. New Jersey. And you'll see New Jersey has been returned to its original format. Thank you for watching. Hopefully this helped. Subscribe to the channel. Thank you.